stay tuned to the channel. At some point, we're going to start the restoration on this car. Well, good morning, folks. We're on our way. We're on another road trip. Heading west this time. So I decided the Jeep project wasn't enough. I've discovered another one. Well, I think we're here. Balsam Harbor. So apparently the bug's not at Peter's house, or at least not the bug that we're here to get. All right, looks like we found it. So there it is. So I've got the Jeep project ongoing, and I've been building an airfield too, so I've got a little airstrip. I've been working on that, working on the cabin, and yeah,
I'll show you.
and the Jeep.
My stepfather had a bunch of cars out in Carmen, Manitoba. It was at the Friendship Field Airport.
Okay,
This guy Bob Deemer.
that's right. Yep.
Do you know Bob?
He just passed away, didn't he?
Yeah.
Yes.
Small world. Well, that's why when I saw it, I was just like, everything is here.
So here we are in the back seat. Not bad, not bad. Upholstery's not horrible. It's got that old car smell. 23, it's probably 123,000 on it. Huh. Headliner's not horrible. Needs some work. I guess we better load it up. All right, folks, we've got the Beetle home. So we've got some. We're gonna have a first look at the vehicle here. Let's start under the hood. There's no engine. Oh yeah, it's in the back. So, comes, like, it is complete. It is all there. The spare tire's there, and now this is a point where a lot of Beetles are rotted right out. Now, this has got a little bit of surface rust. And maybe a couple of little dings in it, but it's there. No signs of wrinkling or anything around the bumper mount, so it's never been in a collision that we can see. Gas tank actually looks like it's in pretty good shape. Not sure if it'll hold gas or not, but it's definitely worth a look. 6-volt gas heater. This little looks like almost like a tar paper cover here, and yeah, it's all there. Original wiring is even in reasonably good shape. Speaker for the radio. The running boards are pretty much gone, but looks like the heater channels and stuff are pretty solid still. A little bit of surface rust, of course, but no, they look like they're in pretty good shape. It's got some really nice red fuzzy seat covers. Comes with all 4 hubcaps, which might even polish up. There are a few dents in it, but the worst rust I can find on the car so far is right over at this corner down here where the bumper mount is. So where the bumper mount is, and this corner, there's a couple little holes in there. You can have a peek up in there. You can see this is a little bit had it, and the tailpipe kind of fell off, so it was pretty rotten. But that was kind of expected. The engine, as it sits right now, is seized. It won't turn over, but I have given it about 2 seconds worth of effort to try and look into that. So it's seized, but is it completely snookered? I have no idea. Can we free it up? We'll find out soon enough. All the glass is good with the exception of the windshield. Windshield's broken. And it was my understanding that in 1965 these windows had a little vent deal on them. So this would make this an early 65, I would think. Again, correct me if I'm wrong. Vent window works. The rubbers are dry and cracked. There's a little bit of garbage in it. That's what's left of one of my tailpipes. But yeah, it spent its life in a barn. The battery box, I don't know if you can see that very well or not, but the battery box is all there. So again, probably might need a little patch there or nothing, but so far, after going over the car, the only thing that I can find that is actually missing is this right here. That little Volkswagen symbol is gone. There's a small crack in this headlight lens. Ugh. This is going to be a project for after the Jeep's done, so I guess I better get cracking on the Jeep. It was one of them. I've been kind of looking for one of these, and this one came up and the price was right, and it was within range. I've seen lots of really good deals on the other side of the country, out in Alberta or BC and stuff. It's like, yeah, that's too far. This one was Manitoba, so it was a little over a 4-hour drive from home, so that was doable. So yeah, I chatted with the owner, got a little story from him. He was a Volkswagen guy too. Stay tuned to the channel. At some point we're going to start the restoration on this car, and it's in pretty good shape.